Hi everyone, and thank you for joining me for Sketchbook Sunday episode 45. I'm working with oils in my moleskine sketchbook, and I will be painting 2 sketches of plants that I grew myself. Some of you watching this video might have seen my plant tour video from over a year ago where I showed you some of my plants that I'm growing in my studio. Well, things have certainly escalated since then. My plant collection has grown quite a bit, but you know what? There's no such thing as too many plants, so I'll just keep telling myself this as the entire house is overtaken by plants. Yeah. In that plant video, I showed you guys my African violet, and I also showed you a leaf that I took from that violet, which I was hoping would grow a baby. I was trying to propagate it, and after that video, it actually did grow a baby plant, which I separated and planted into its own pot. And over 1 year later, the plant I grew from that leaf is now in its very first bloom, and some of the flowers just started opening up. So in my sketchbook, I'm painting one of those flowers. And speaking of African violets, I ended up acquiring a bunch more leaves of all kinds of different varieties. I bought some on Etsy. My mom gave me some. Some of them are very rare and came from Ukraine. My mom and I kind of trade because she also grows a ton of them, and all those leaves grew baby plants. So I have a whole collection, and many of them are about to bloom, but I wanted to paint the flower that kind of started it all. To be honest, I will probably paint the other flowers as well as they begin to bloom because they're so different and beautiful, and I just can't wait to see all those colors on my window. But yeah, having plants has really become a significant part of my life. I've always had some plants, but nowhere near the amount I have now. And taking care of them just always puts me in a better mood if I'm having a stressful day or just a frustrating or sad day. I go around checking on all my plants, and I make sure no one needs water or to be repotted. And doing all those things is just a lot of fun for me. And I always want to do more and more and take care of more plants and propagate and grow them. And so yeah, I've just kind of gone a little crazy with the plants lately. So at this point in the video, you're probably like, okay, we get it. You like plants. Cool. Let's talk about something else. And unfortunately for you, that's not going to happen just yet, because the second sketch I'm doing on the bottom there is one of my succulent plants that I also propagated. I got a few leaves off of Etsy and I let them grow new plants, and this was one of them. I've got a few growing outdoors as well as tons of leaves propagating. So yeah, there's a lot of plant stuff happening. It's like being a crack addict, except instead of crack, it's obviously plants, and instead of going to jail, I get emotional and mental fulfillment. It's wonderful. Well, now the moment you've all been waiting for, the moment I shut up about plants. It's been a long time since I did a Sketchbook Sunday video, and I'm hoping to make more this summer because I kind of just remembered that I genuinely enjoyed making this series and filling up my sketchbook 1 week at a time. But I guess once something becomes an obligation, it slowly starts to lose its magic over time, unless you yourself are a magical being who never gets burnt out or tired. In that case, kudos to you, unicorn people, if you're out there, but I'm not that, so thank you for bearing with me during my times of absence and busyness and all around chaos that was this past year. I feel like I'm finally gaining back some time, creative energy, and inspiration when it comes to the video side of things, which is obviously a great feeling, but I still feel a little hesitant to experiment and upload videos that aren't entirely comprised of me painting, because I feel like that's all anyone cares to see from me, but maybe those are just my own paranoid thoughts. I don't know. But also, regarding my last video, quite a few of you asked me if I was going to sell prints of my Wonder Woman painting, and I'm not going to sell any. I'm not going to have prints available in my art store, but I will throw in a free 8.5 by 11 print of that painting with any art store order, $25 or more. So if you are interested in getting a free print of that painting, just enter the code FREEPRINT at checkout, and I will make sure to add that free print to your order. I haven't decided when that code will expire yet, a few days, a week, I don't know, so we'll play it by ear. But anyways, thank you guys so much for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed my plant studies and ramblings. I'm wishing you all a beautiful and inspiring day, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye!